There we go. Okay, I think we're live. Might be a little bit rough. Okay, so let's see. Let's do some volume checks.
I start out with blueprints and building blocks.
Probably turn the music down.
So high you can't see the top.
Hey, Ro?
I calculate the best ways to make it fall. Before I swing the
Hmm.
wrecking
I would think that I would be connected.
that's for much
Maybe.
when it's self-destructing. Like I'm wired to delete anything that might be good for me until I'm left with nothing. 'Cause I pushed the button.
Anybody see me? I have stream going, but it doesn't look like it's working.
Then watch the whole thing
Oh boy. Why do I suck so bad?
to start again from scratch. But every time I get to the final piece, I start this
Hey, it works. Okay. I don't know why it was so difficult.
break it down. I've got a heart that's full of mushroom clouds when it's self-destruct.
Okay, cool. Let me go ahead and pause this. I think we are live. Hello! Welcome to the first weekly Shotbow developer stream. We're going to just be destroying all of this because this is actually, well, we're going to start off with a really sad story. You know what I should do is have a way for people to get here.
Something beautiful that stays, 'cause deep down I know that I detach the moment that
Let's just stop all the signs real quick. Yay, signs are gone. Except for these ones. Okay. So, I've got really bad news that we're starting off with, and that is that we misplaced the original Wasted Control map, which is kind of sad. Oh, I should probably modify the thing up top. Let me see here. Let's see. Can I do this? Reviving Wasted Control. Hey, Doxy Nachi, you're welcome to try. I have one that was submitted on the forums that I was trying to paste in before this stream, but unfortunately I was having issues due to its size, so I'll have to mess around with that later. But the important part today is to get those waving flags back and to make it so that they're capturable. And then once that happens, I'll be able to make Wasted Control come back to life pretty quickly. So, a dino, I'm good. Recently had a baby, so I'm exhausted, but we're having some fun here, so we'll see how it goes. Let's see, just trying to get some more stuff set up here. We'll update this. Nice. Well then, Curl, welcome. Let's have some fun. So, this in the background, the music is my sister, Stephanie maybe. You can check her out, but that way, she'll give me permission to use any of her music, so that's good. Well done, Doxy. Make a wasted control map that doesn't suck. Deal. Okay, so let us begin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dive into the code. So this is the boring part, but it's also the interesting part. So I was noticing the old system. Oh, I should probably pause. Oops. I have my stream playing for myself. Hey, thanks, TDKX. Yeah, this is all server-side plugins and resource packs. So I have right here this method that apparently loads a map from the database on startup. I don't know why I did this, but one of the issues with using code is with some of this stuff is like for instance, Minecraft server. I have to now reference 1.8. It used to reference 1.7. So now the map, it used to be called K to load a map, but as we can see, that method has changed. So what I can do is I can actually search for something that takes a string argument, and I think it'd just be S that. Let's see if there's another one. Set world? Is that what that used to be? Yeah, there's lots of code, but so the objective today is what I want to do is give you a little bit of an overview of kind of how things work in the code behind the scenes for people who are interested in that, and also hopefully revive wasted control. I don't know if I'll get it up and running so that we can all play it right away, but it's coming very soon. But you'll be able to see the start of it, specifically the flags I'll be implementing using armor stands, whereas they used to spawn a falling block and then remove the falling block and spawn it again and remove it and spawn it again. So now it's going to be far less intensive with this new system, which I'm excited. Because the issue is when we updated to 1.7, that spawn and disappear didn't work. It was just a silly idea, Kirby. I don't know. I made this 2 years ago, so don't ask me anything. August 2013. So anyway, so that's apparently something that I'm doing to load a map, but anyway, no big deal. We'll figure out what that's all about. But for now, what I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this and just set the map name to world for now. So normally I wouldn't ever hardcode a world name, but since I don't care about this stuff anymore, it was an idea that never actually came to fruition, and I don't actually want to load this way. So, do we need loot chests? I thought we... Oh, I'm in... Is that still in control points? Cool. So I don't need to worry about custom entities anymore. I used to create a smart falling block that would extend falling block, but it doesn't. The basics of a wasted control map. See, this is going to be fun because you guys all get to sit in here and go, why didn't you do this instead of this? You know, and everything that you're going to point out is probably going to be right because I'm pretty sure that this is pretty terrible code, but at the same time, it works. It makes me happy. Yes, my child is here. So he's beautiful. I'll grab him at some point and hold him up and let you see him. But nah, he's a great kid. Let's see, what are we looking at? Why do I care about this? Why am I dumping into wasted loot anyway? Okay, for now we're just gonna do this. Because I don't care about wasted loot getting mad at me. The one I do care about is control points. Okay. So what I want to do is get into control point here. This is a really ugly class, but it has the waving flag and the capture task and all of that. So the idea is that each control point is independent of the others, which makes it fun. So let's see here. So we've got the control point, and this used to operate using these flag pieces, which used to operate using this smart falling block that would just spawn and despawn all over again. So I'm going to be re-implementing these flag pieces to use armor stands. So that's the first objective here. So what we'll do is we will go so list of falling blocks. Oh yeah, this will be perfect. If falling blocks dot size is greater than or equal to I, falling blocks dot get at I dot teleport to where do I need to go? Let's see, I think it's just XYZ. I don't think I do any modifications in this class at all. Okay. Looks like I want this. There we go. So now instead of falling and despawning over and over, we're going to be teleporting whatever is in this falling blocks, and I'll call this floating blocks. And we'll change this because what I want to do, yeah, 3D textures is something we're actually looking into now that we're switching to 1.8 proper. I don't care about those anymore now. Then I go else, floating blocks stop, add, new floating block, and we'll go spawn point, and we'll actually create a class that represents the floating block. I don't want to. Okay, so I've changed my mind already 4 times, I think, but this makes more sense. Floating block, which floating block is just going to be a fancy name for an armor stand with a freaking whatchamacallit, a falling block perched on its face. Oh, fat gay Nazi. That's too bad. Okay. Yeah, you're welcome to copy whatever you'd like. Good luck making it all work, but you know, I'm sure you can figure it out. Okay, so floating block. Now we're not implementing entity anymore. Okay, so now's the fun part where we get to do armor stand. Armor stand equals spawn.getWorld.spawn spawn, comma, armor stand.class. We might as well call this stand. Then we would do stand.set helmet to make new item stack wool. Oh, I need to give it a color, don't I? So we got hat. And that's item stack. I think it's amount data. I just can't ever keep it clear. Amount data, yeah. So I want, then I'd go color, get wool data, which is depreciated, but so be it. Because life is beautiful. No, Demon, I'm also going to be testing things, but mostly I'm going to be coding. It's just kind of a way for people who are interested in coding to kind of see the process. So that's kind of the idea here, is to provide something different, let you guys see the process behind, you know, the boring process behind everything that's so fun to play. So, stand to set helmet that, stand gravity false, stand dot base plate false, stand dot set invisible. How do I make it invisible? Do we not have invisible? Oh. Okay, if you're really that bored with my coding, I'm sorry, but that's okay. There's gotta be a way to make it invisible. I know you can do it with /summon. I might have to go into NMS though. I hope not. That's not very fun. But for now, we'll keep it visible. Actually, let me just see if there's anything here. Ah, visible, set visible. Yeah, false. Cool. So then, we come over here, and we would create a method called teleport, which is point, and we would just do stand.teleport point. So kind of boring, but this is just an easy way to wrap it. That way, if I need to change how this block is represented, I can change it, but I've got the points all managed here. Then I'd do the new floating block, and then color. Cool. Oh, Wasted keeps getting mad at me because it thinks everything needs to compile. Okay. In your heart. Let's do control. Build, and we can see what we've got. So currently, I've got those armor stands holding the blocks, and I'm trying to teleport them instead of spawn and despawn them. So we'll see how it looks. Everyone makes a piece. It's fun. I don't know if you guys can even hear the music, but it's my sister Stephanie. Maybe she's pretty awesome. Sorry that it's a little bit mellow, but I wanted to get something I wouldn't get in trouble for having. Yeah, so the wool will be actually higher. So what I'll do is I'm going to see where it's at now, and then do a little bit of a translation there. Yeah, Kirby, definitely using Gradle instead of Maven. I love it. Gradle is love. Gradle is life. So this failed. Let's see what I did. Oh, do I still have... Where did I go? Control point. Apparently I still don't have this quite down. Let's bring this sideways. Ah, there we go. Floating block. Remove, yeah, I'll need to add that method here. And I would just do stand.remove. Gradle basically sits on top of Maven, is kind of how it works. So, it's Gradle can Maven and do more, is basically how it boils down. Where is control points? Let's try and find Elf Smart Falling Block. Yeah, let's just remove unused imports. Come on, IntelliJ. Make my life easy, right? With the Smash ranked stuff is being looked into, I still haven't been able to confirm being sent to a US server. But that seems like a very interesting bug, for sure. So, I'm currently streaming, by the way, Rafiki. Rafiki, I'm currently streaming. Just heads up.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see if this works now. I think that's it. So once we get something built, I should be able to deploy it, and then we'll be able to play around and see what we're looking at. But I definitely broke... What? Control points executor, come on! Really, it's just an import. Come on. Dumb. Okay. Wasted still getting Getting silly here. Okay. Ta-da! And right at that time, it completed. Hey, I'm streaming about right now, by the way. So let's see here. Another 2 hours to watch me stream. Hopefully, I don't stream that long. We'll see. Or at least if I do, I hope it gets more interesting. Let's do. Oh, it all ends up in the target. Let's see here. Build lib control. Fan freaking tastic. Okay. Well, we're gonna see how control runs. I'm gonna reboot this wasted control dev server. And then let's boot into Minecraft here. There we go, back to normal, just in time to head over to control. So many dev servers. So little time. Oh, look at that, wasted control. Okay. Well, that makes everybody happy, apparently. It should get mad because there's nothing. Yeah, that makes sense. Cool. Fantastic. This makes me happy. Let's see if I can even... Let's see if this even works. Shall we? There's something I do. Can I just go, what is the command? I don't even know what the commands are. Oh, it's been so long. Everybody needs to forgive me for forgetting what my commands are. Let's see. Phase 1. Then I go at point. Oh, it got mad. But that's okay. That point's good. Oh, I have to give it a name, I think. Add point. Stupid place to capture. Nope, that didn't work either. Okay, let's see what I did wrong. Control point at 208. It's probably my code over here. Oh, that's duh, moron. Of course. Memo: do not try to get things from lists if they don't have things in them. It's just, you know, basic coding 101. You know, did I even finish compiling? Okay. Off by one with that issue, but it looked like it was working-ish. So we'll see how it looks once I load back in here. Oh, so close. Hey! Almost. Oh, except they're spawning over and over again. Hey! That's looking pretty dang good. Huh. Well, that's interesting. Let's see. It almost worked. Let's see. Oh, I don't have IntelliJ up. I'm sorry, guys. I've been looking at... Why does it go to that stupid program every freaking time? Come on. OBS, don't be dumb. There we go. Okay. So I got flag pieces. Hmm. Me using an actual IRC client. Well, it's called Chatty. It's made to integrate with Twitch, so it lets you like operate your channel, change the topic and all that. So it's kind of awesome. I don't know why that didn't work as well as it should have. I'll take a look. Yeah, I'll have to definitely modify those offsets of where those things are spawning. But also, why is the I wonder if I have to do a. I don't think I did very good help text. Add point. Control point. Okay. Let's see how we go here. What? That's dumb. And it just did it again. Why are you doing this, OBS? Why? Okay. Really? Minecraft makes me mad. Can somebody fix that? Well, yeah, XSplit's totally better, but it also costs lots of money. Maybe if I stream enough, I'll buy it. It's all good though. OBS is cool because it's customizable. You just need to learn its fickleness and then, hopefully crack it open and fix it. Like, if I had time, I'd sit there and figure out what causes that to change its window on me whenever I deselect it and bring it back up. It's not even whenever, it's only sometimes. Dumb. Okay, well, back to control, and let's take a look at what that, warp 1. Control, I guess CP, add point, west. So there's an issue adding it. Oh, it like did a couple of them, didn't? Oh no, there we go. I mean, this looks good. It looks awesome. So now all I've got to do is make it so that these will move a little more, and then bring them closer together. But I think ultimately that's exactly what we want. That's pretty awesome. Oh, I don't have it actually. I keep doing this to you guys. So, flags are back and looking better than ever, except for the fact that, they're not connected, but I can fix that easily. So that's what I'll be working on here. It's going to be awesome. Cool. So that looks cool. I'm thinking I might just use one of these cities as the dev control and make it so you have to climb to the top of the buildings to capture the points. That'd be kind of awesome. Since we have this city, why not use it? So we'll see how this goes. Wait, did these break when I left and came back? That makes me so happy. But anyway, so this is the beauty of Minecraft, is finding these kinds of things where for some reason this breaks. but I think that's because the entity loads and unloads. So now I have to go in here and go to this control point. Go to flag piece. Let's see.
I don't care what scientists say. Long past the edges of space, I'll recognize your face.
I'll go ahead and add nothing to that.
And it's okay to let go. You gave it all you had, and you know time and gold were never meant to last. And when they fade, someday we're left with who we loved
Well,
along the way.
so it looks like if we leave, the armor stand becomes invalid, which makes sense because we can't hold on to an entity and then expect the instance to not change. So, unless I wonder if I can set persistence on entities. I can't remember. Let's try this. This is the dirty way of interacting with Minecraft, namely NMS and OBS. But it's all happy. Get a handle. Okay, let's see.
The difficulty increases, the music gets all evil and creepy. Could this be dum dum dum, the theme song for the boss? Oh, it's time to step it up. Well, I'm no
Diving into this now, and we'll see what's. So it extends entity living. So this is right now doing a little bit of research into the Minecraft code. So this is actual Minecraft code that I'm looking at to see if there's something that'll make it not unload. But maybe, I can handle that. So what I would do is I would go in here.
Don't slow down, you know that the world will own you. If you let it, you already figured out your objective. Go and get it, barriers will explode. If you live slow, there is no game over. I'm pushing all the buttons, acting like it's nothing. If it's in the way, I annihilate.
Okay, so we can do this.
I know I will bury the stuff ahead that
If
scares me.
loading block dot is valid. So now we gotta handle something so that if the flag, well, let's real quick. I fixed, I think, the flag not sitting right next to itself. I can actually do this and go spawn, clone, clone.add 0,1.70, or maybe it's 1.3. Oh, negative, because I want to try and get to. I want to try and get to where the armor stand is, so that the flag looks like it was before. So, oh, I am failing, guys. Tell me when I forget to bring up the code and in Minecraft and talking through the code. Also, I'm going to disown Chatty because this thing is making me mad. I'm not even streaming well. Remove one far away. Is that the one? I think that is. Yeah. I'm going to disown Chatty. Okay, stand dot remove. Ha! Set remove when far away. False. That's the one. Because I don't want to remove it when far away. I want it to stay. Oh, won't you stay with me? Right? Something like that. Okay. So now we're building. And we'll see if that works. But yeah, the remove when far away should fix that issue. Plus, I think I fixed some positional issues, but we will have to find out. So, I'm going to bring back Minecraft. Head back to control. Oh, is the official channel's chat? I forgot. I'm missing half the chat, aren't I? I'm only getting the chat on mine. Sorry, guys, in the official channel. Warp 1. Okay, so those are the old ones. I think that if I add a point, though, it's gonna make the other ones work. Okay, so they're still not lining up, are they? Did I actually upload? I don't think I uploaded, come to think of it. Gotta remember to do that, because otherwise there's no point in rebooting. Cool. Cool. Show us how you deploy. Nah, I'm not gonna worry about that. Just try and get things working. No, I guess that is it. Okay. Let's try something here. I figure out why they're so far away from each other. It's kind of unnerving. Because they should be right next to each other. We'll see. Okay. So, just doesn't seem... Oh, duh. I'm not actually using the spawn point. That makes sense. But, I'm wondering... This is obnoxious. I don't know why this is being the way it is. It's pretending like there's no loot chest plugin for wasted. So I'm going to just ignore it and come back to it because I want to be able to hit F7 and compile. Thank you, wasted. Finally, okay. Control point. So we have our flag piece offsets. Goodbye, Dino. Oh, my music died. We'll start over, I guess. Because I'm lazy. Okay. Not sure why this is being done, but this is the part of the fun of working in Minecraft is that you don't really know what's going on all the time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it to be visible, and then we'll see what's going on, hopefully. Laser best streamer because I'm boring and just kind of try and talk through things. Cool. Warp 1 again. Yeah, so those seem to just be placed funny. That's all. Gotta figure out why they're being placed so sillily. Maybe I make it lower? Can't really tell. I am not 30 years old, Cody. You take that back. I am 26. You, sir, are the timeout bench. How dare you? How dare you? Yeah, Vacon should be streaming in about an hour and 20 minutes or so. Not sure exactly when, but that's one of the reasons why I chose this time, is that I could stream before he. Actually, it might just be in 20 minutes. But yeah, should be awesome. Yeah, it'd be awesome. I could do that. I just would have to code in the hooks for that. In fact, I probably should do that because it seems like that's going to be the only way I'm going to fix it. Oh, that's why the 0.5. The 0.5 was actually there for my benefit. It was not. Why does it keep doing that? It keeps doing that. It makes me so mad. Okay, there we go. Back in here. Yeah, of course. I'm not old at all. Okay, so this actually added the 0.5, and that's how it got off to the side, like directly in the center, I think. Because if I look on this one's in the center. Yeah, that's exactly where the 0.5 came from. So now I've got to figure out what's going out in the X direction. So, what I do is I figure out where these new flag pieces are made. Location.add. So what's X? X is less than or equal to 1 plus the flag length. Add X. I see what's going on with this location. Let's see. You just tipped it. Dark, it's the same flags. I'm modifying that code right now. I'm trying to make it into armor stands instead of falling blocks, which means a little bit of math to put them in the right position. That's all. I don't think that the blocks are exactly the same size as an actual wool block. In fact, we can check that right now. If I do this. Yeah, see? They're actually smaller. That's the problem. There we go, guys. That's the problem, is that they're actually a smaller block. So I actually need to figure out what the size of these blocks are, and then do the math to make them line up. So vertically, we can see vertically they're lining up perfectly with the top of what I'd expect a wool block to be. So I would actually need to do quite a bit of offset on this. So let's try doing 0.75. Man, whoever did that, whoever was talking about the flags from the lobby, there we go. Problem's fixed. So, we go over here. So then I would go x equals times 0.75, and let's try that and see where that brings us. And then height. And then I just need to deal with the y offset of the flag piece right here. So then I just do this, where's I? Minus I times 0.75 to try and bring it down, because it looks like it's about 3/4 of a block size. I'm glad I checked. See, there's a big problem. Because that's about 1/4 of a block. That's actually going to be really cool, though. It means I can do a little bit more with these blocks. But see, so all you got to do is sometimes it's just a little bit of guess and check. We'll switch to something. I mean, if there's something that's stable that comes out to replace Bucket, sure, we'd switch to it. But as of right now, we're maintaining our own spigot, and I'm very happy with that. So we just say, hey, we want this, and so we go make it and implement it, and then everybody's happy. So we'll see how that works out and how long that works out. But that should be pretty awesome. Okay. Now let's try again. Be awesome. I think got it all set up to work. I know I'm bringing up Minecraft. I just barely brought it. Thank you for reminding me, though. It's good to remind me that I haven't got Minecraft up because sometimes I can forget. Warp 1. Okay, so let's see what a new... Not quite what I want, huh? It seems like it went from the farthest into this. I think it started from there. So I gotta fix this. Okay. The Y offset is very close, so I can do 0.65 probably. And that'll bring these very close. But now the X offset is just, the math is wrong. So, need to fix that because obviously the math is wrong. I think it's because I'm starting backwards. Let's see. This is always fun. Everyone's like, show code. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. Remembering what's going on here. Cool. So I'm just looking at this. So what I've got to do is right now the spawn flag method goes along the length of the flag that's defined and then creates and sets a location based on the origin of the flag and adds a flag piece at this location of x times 0.75 is what I did, which would be then, so the 1 would be, so let's see here though, is this, am I doing it the wrong direction though is my question. Am I vanished? Damn you, Vanish. Okay, so we gotta just see, so this is going this way. That's most definitely addition. Okay, so then my flag, I'd start at 1, and I'd want to go this location plus 0.75 should put this right here. So where is this one coming from? That's probably why he didn't get admin, is if you start blabbing your mouth, it doesn't bode well for your behavior. That's all. That's a pretty big thing. But anyway, no big deal. Life's life. Sorry, Docs, but you can still make that wasted map. It'd be awesome. So, let's see, I haven't checked, yeah, Shotbow Network officials empty pretty much. Let's, I don't know why this math is being so dumb. So I think... Try and just change some numbers and see what happens. Yeah, OBS can do that. Go edit scene. Yeah, no, I can move Minecraft over here. Have IntelliJ right here, and actually move this one, move down. Order, there we go. There we go, we can do this. There we go. Now I got everything all at once. So, I just built, so let's deploy and reboot. Mine Z. So used to working on Mine Z too. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna warp to 2 because I've made so many points. CP point testy. And I want to actually see. So teams are not set up for some reason. Hey, maybe. Something's going on. They're stacked perfectly. I must do something weird at that point. Because I think... maybe it's... No, because it wouldn't be an integer addition. That should automatically convert into a double. So I'm trying to think, because this would be then 1, 2, 3, 4, which would then make that 0.51, 1.52, which should look perfect, but this is looking like they're being rounded to a block location. So I'm gonna die! It died! No! I didn't know that I died. I'll lower this down to 6th. And rebuild? Okay. I think we're back, right? Yeah, we're back. Cool. Awesome. What I'll do is I'll bring that over. Yeah, see, this is what happens when you come back to code 2 years later. You don't realize you were doing things. So what I was doing is I was converting those positions into block positions and rounding it around. So I actually couldn't do the slight offset I was trying to go for. Hey, that's glorious. Although, why are they now turned? Is it because they collide? Oh, that's awesome, but I don't want them colliding. So, we need to now see if there's a way to do collision. Stand spigot.collide? No. So I like the handle stand. I'll just do entity understand. Handle dot collide. So what I can do, I need to make these not collide. But I wonder if making it invisible makes it not collide. Let's try that. Try to make that invisible. Stand. Is it back? I think it's back. Yeah, refreshing, it's good. Yeah, there's nothing I can do there, so that's fine. Cool. Yeah, basically. If things are broken, just make me, I'll just code crazily. Okay.
Most of the guys keep their eyes on the tightrope walker or the hot little number on the flying trapeze.
What?
And love kept passing by me 'cause I'm just the bearded lady. But boy, you bring out all the beauty in me.
You know, that's not actually half bad. I kind of like the diagonalness, even though that's on accident.
I feel like I'm such a sideshow.
Cool, so now I just need to lower where it spawns, and we should be okay.
Your reaction, your love's like a spotlight, and suddenly, for the first time, I'm the main attraction.
Let's bring that down by 2.
None of your friends comprehend why we're both so happy.
Did you find your no-clip method in the end?
That we're a couple of freaks.
My what method?
The no-clip stuff.
You know I got
No, I don't think it exists, does it?
I think so. I think it's public boolean t on entity.
Oh, okay. On the handle.
Yeah.
most days I feel like I'm such a sideshow that I could get used to your reaction.
I don't want to actually
It's uppercase T, I should have said.
get field with inheritance boolean.class uppercase T.
Yep.
Handle, comma. True or false means collisions. I'm trying to reflect this.
It's marked as no-clip in Spigot, so I would guess true is no-clip.
We'll do the ugly, 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 catch all exceptions. Beautiful. Flags are like the key to it, though, because the flags are really cool because they indicate what's going on and they go down and they go back up as they're captured. So they're kind of the reason why Wasted Control
I
died.
have no idea
because
if this works.
I wouldn't set us. Well, we'll see, because I'm catching the exception, so if it doesn't work, I don't care. It'll be awesome if it does, though. Hopefully I'm setting the right Boolean T, because the ProGuard can sometimes be really, really aggressive with the obfuscation. And break stuff like reflective field getting.
Yeah.
Why does this look like they're being put somewhere really random? Oh yeah, it's one part. Yeah, every aspect of it is so huge. I mean, I kind of just like the fact that it waves diagonally because it's unique, but now I need to put that right here. Where are we at? Because really, I could get, if I can get this to line up perfectly with a little bit of math, then everything will look beautiful.
Yeah. I actually think diagonals looks better than...
Yeah, I agree. Which is funny because I did it on accident.
All the best things are accidental.
Okay, I need to figure out why the teams think they're undefined.
Can't remember how you define them. Using Teams config, I would guess.
We did Independence and HRC. I think that's why. HRC doesn't exist.
Is it independence? I thought it was subjects.
Subjects, that's the one. Yeah, the subjects and HRC, that's why. So I just need to redefine these teams. Do you remember what color they were?
I can just send you the one from Gun Game.
Yeah, please do. Send me the teams that want to know from Gun Game. Yeah, I did the subjects and then, yeah, Human Research Corporation. That's what it was. Got an awesome backstory. Cool, so capturing should work once I get in. See how it looks.
Can't find you on Skype. Right. There.
No, Demon, so long as you manage your armor stands that you're using for Cody stuff, well. Yeah, no such field exception, T. That makes me sad. That's okay, though.
It's it's because it's on Entity, not Entity Armor Stand.
I did a recursive super
Oh.
lookup, but it still didn't think that it existed. That's okay though.
It does. It's on
That should be
86.
colored. That should be
Yes.
colored. Why is that not colored? That makes me sad.
Haven't stopped watching you since you wandered in. My eyes have been right there with you. Boy, you should know you're so beautiful. You could be holding my breath.
Robert's building me a Gun Game lobby at the moment, so
Awesome.
not doing anything exciting.
That makes me happy. Jetpacks are going to be reworked, by the way, JTB. They're going to be made to be more vertical
Hallelujah.
travel than straight travel. It has data, Jacob. It's being created with data right here. The item stack. So let me just see here. Handle.t equals true. Try that out.
Like poison, no way to tell. You're under my spell till everyone else fades to noise, and just like that, I make
Let's see how that looks.
Oh, you're setting it in the helmet slot as opposed to getting a falling block riding the armor stand.
Yeah, no, I don't want a falling block riding. I was going to set it on the armor.
Makes sense.
I could do the riding falling block, but the thing is, if it's on the armor stand, it can twist as the helmet, but whereas a falling block can never turn, even if it's riding something that's turning.
Yeah, that's true.
Let's see how this looks. My love. Why is it getting all the way up there? Because I think that is 1, 2, 3, 4. You know why? Because the flag itself. That's why. Okay, no big deal. Gonna be lazy and add some more magic numbers. But, you know, things like positioning of objects are not going to change because they have to be, you know, the same. I don't know. It's a terrible justification. Let's try this again. Man, flags are taking forever. See, now you guys know. Warward! Go! Go suck a lemon.
to set us free throughout the stirring metals in the heat to create the key to our immortality.
Hey, there we go. That's looking almost good. Now I just need to figure out how to twist. So do I want to get rid of one? Yeah. So I'll get rid of one.
Did you just tell one of your players to suck a lemon, Laser?
I did tell him to suck a lemon because he said, oh, waste its back, and then he was like, ew, control.
Wow.
Scientists knew that soon they'd be gone too, like me and you. It's okay to let go. You gave it all you had, and you know time and gold were never meant to last. And when they fade, someday we're left with who we loved along the way.
Hey, I think I figured out why they're turned. It's the direction that I'm facing when I create the location.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah, because armor stands have directionality. That's so
Yeah.
dope. That's so dope. That makes me so happy. Look at that. That's
It
awesome.
makes the maths harder though.
Eh, it is what it is. It doesn't change the maths because the maths are based on position, not orientation. So the position's going to change in the same direction. You can look on my stream right now and see it in action. It's like
Yeah,
the
but
top one I looked.
the orientation of the block, the diagonal is longer than the
Yeah, but it
the
makes it all connect a little better. Actually,
Yeah.
I'm happy with that. That looks a lot better than the old system. Makes me happy. Okay, cool. So much time on twitching flags, right? Yeah, I know. But I think now we're good to go with that.
This isn't that long on twitching flags.
Yeah, I was gonna say, if you know how development works, this is not long at all. Oh, I killed my flags, my flag entities. Hey, I gotta fix something here because these are getting mad at me. Okay. No, the flags don't need to be a little shorter, because once I get in the game, you'll want to be able to see them from far away. Because you can see that very clearly from anywhere. See? So once you get close, you can actually get a better... And then once you get close, you'll start capturing it, and that's what I'm trying to fix right now. But I think I already found it. It's there's apparently one of the teams that I set up with light purple as the color. And apparently wool data or whatever of that doesn't work. So this is easy. Let's do... Sorry, just rewriting the teams real quick here. And then I'll reboot. And this should be capturable once I get in. And once, if they're capturable, then it's just a matter of setting up the control points. Still not working. Okay, let's see here. I think I'm out of music now. We'll just throw on some epic music because I'm lazy. There we go. Epic music. Okay, it looks like 63. Get current phase, which I need to select a phase, that's all. Okay. So if I just go well, now we know. I just completely broke everything.
Yay!
Yay!
That's it's all part of coding it. Things get worse before they get better.
Oh, it threw a null pointer loading the map, and that's why it's throwing null pointers everywhere. So I'm going to see what's going on with the map.
That's a thought. If we're doing SQL maps, then do we not have a copy of the map still on the database?
No, the map's not in the database. It's just a reference to the thing.
Okay. I was going to say that would have been incredible to have SQL-based map saving. Next project confirmed.
So I'm taking a look at this as to why. Chat color. Really? Is that what? Oh, this is so obnoxious. That's why. One of the dumbest things. Okay, I think I fixed it. Wow, this is why updates take forever, because things are obnoxious in Minecraft. Let's see. I like the music. Oh, my phone's going off. That's what's going on. Can't hear it with all my music and stuff. Okay, let's see here. What if I go point testy, maybe? Am I capturing it, maybe? I'll have to see what's going on with Yeah, so something's going on where I've got to figure out why the game's not quite loading. I don't know why it's saying respawn and blah blah blah. This is obnoxious. All I know is that this is crazy. Okay, so here's my plan. So I've got flags up and running. I'm happy with how they look. That's pretty awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spend an hour or two off stream where I can actually work a little bit quicker and get this control hopefully up and running and get a test game running in a city, and then we can start playing. So I'm actually going to take a break, go visit my little baby. Actually, I might grab my baby and hold him up. Let's see. One sec, I'll go get my baby.
The baby.
The baby is coming. Is it just me, or is Laser's mouse going 90 at the bottom of the screen?
It is. It's on total crack only yet.
My little boy is naked. Oh, kittens. I mean, you could see the actual code, because why not, right?
I don't mind. I don't mind seeing naked
my
laser
God,
baby.
Kind of sad, but so control's very close to working. I'll just need some time to finish it up and get it ready to launch, but should be able to select a fun section of map. I don't know why this is saying respawn in blah blah blah. I think it's because I need to tell control not to start automatically. No, I can't skills because I've got to go take care of my baby. Spend time with my family and then get back to coding, but I'm not gonna just like set and do nothing for a little while and then come back and do it. No, the anti-stats should be fine. We've done modifications to make sure that they save. So if you confirm that they're not working, feel free to submit a bug through a bug tracker. That'll be handy. It's fun. Well, and I've also it doesn't help. I have some really fancy utilities that I have that are like this reflection util that handles all of my Minecraft and craft bucket access is always nice. No, Gradle doesn't auto build. I execute the tasks over here. There, did you drop a cookie on your force field button? Okay, we're gonna find what's going on with this respawning. Here's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna kill all wasted configs that I need to. Wasted NPCs. Okay, I'm gonna go get my baby, and then we'll continue. Just give me a second here.
Snare, did you get banned for the cookie on force field button again?
No, I was just taking the piss because there was people in chat like, Laser, you have to fix Annie.
You do know
That
they can hear you.
voice.
Yeah.
You have to fix it.
Here's Mini Laser. He's beautiful. And he's mine. I made this. Touche. But anyway. Say hi, buddy. Say hi. So this is Mini Laser and Laser. Together at last. Been waiting forever for him. But anyway, I'm gonna go bring him back. Demon, you can't code one of those on your own. You need a partner. Good luck.
I can't tell the difference.
It's the dynamic duo.
Okay. So. So that's Mini Me with his hair. I had a full head of hair until, recently. Anyway, yeah, lots of bug fixing. So I'm gonna get this working. After I go eat dinner and stuff, I'm gonna hang out with my family. Oh, so it is blue. Oh, interesting. How do I fix that? You see this? It is blue wool on here. It's just not showing up as blue. So I might have to be a little bit creative with this. This is gonna be interesting. But that's okay. Let's go see where Stupid is. I forgot about that. We're going the fast method. Here we go. Hey! Somehow I won. Not sure how I did that, but anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and restart, and it'll be awesome. But anyway, guys, it's been fun. As you can see, I'm a little bit scatterbrained, but I hope to do more of these and have a little bit more interaction. Maybe do some more tutorial-oriented streams. But basically, the idea is that every week we'll have a member of the development team hosting a stream in which they'll be working on a Shotbow game mode or teaching how to do something in Bucket. But just kind of, we want to keep it development focused. And we'll see if other teams want to do that as well with their own things. But for now, that's where we're at. So I hope you enjoyed this development stream. It'll, all hour and a half of it, in which we got flags up and running, but not quite, and I still need to fix it. But anyway, I hope you guys had fun. I know I did. And I look forward to next week's. I think I might pawn it off on another member of the team, but if not, it'll be me again here next week, same time. And I'll see you guys then.